Hello and welcome to the program. I hope you're ready to begin. To get started, let me tell you a bit about what to expect in the program over the next few weeks. First, it's composed of 6 modules. These modules will have activities and assessments so that we can tell that you're learning, opportunities to practice key concepts, hands-on experience working with applications of neuroscience and business, and a guest speaker to share how some of these concepts are used in the industry. So let's talk a little bit more about the program. It's really about the use of neuroscience to improve business management and leadership. It will cover applications of neuroscience in business, innovation, marketing, leadership, and achieving peak individual and team performance. Our hope is that you become familiar with topics to help you in your professional career, such as how to build culture and relationships, decision-making and leadership, neuroscience applications in marketing, innovation and creativity, and future trends in neuroscience. To accomplish all of this, we'll focus on a number of different things. These include the basic anatomy and physiology of the brain and techniques for measuring and manipulating brain function, facets of the social brain that increase social capital, establish culture, and manage organizational change, the use of neuroscience to improve decision-making of leadership in organizations, neuroscience tools and insights to improve business practices, and finally, the brain processes that enhance individual creativity and boost organizational innovation. Now, as we move through the program, remember that you are part of a global cohort. Take advantage of it. Different people have different expertise, so learn from them. Use this as an opportunity to network. The program includes 24-hour support for technical issues, so don't let any issues hold you back. You'll have experienced learning facilitators to help you navigate the program, so please take advantage of them. I hope you're ready to go, so let's get started.